Green screens and solid backgrounds in Camtasia. With your video open in Camtasia, open the Properties panel, navigate the color picker to select a color to remove. This part can be a little tricky and sometimes you have to try different areas of the video before you get the best results. Keep in mind that you won't remove all of the color by simply making a selection. Make sure it's on a track below the edit, sure everything looks how you want it. Tolerance, increase or decrease the color you remove. Softness, smooth out pixelation and rough edges of color that remain around what is left. Hue, adjust the color of the clip to better match a new background. Invert, reverse the color removal and hide everything except the color you removed. Invert, reverse the color removal and accept the color you removed.